Okay, this question is about what to do in like push hands, or it's essentially like very common in wrestling and jiu-jitsu, where somebody is posting on the collarbone, or like basically straight arming. If it's not like a martial application where you would just hit somebody, we're talking about like push hands and applications. Then we're going to be talking about splitting and plucking from like the 8 gates of form that you have been practicing. So what Paul's going to do to me is he's going to take some kind of a bow stance. If for push hands, if somebody is posting the same side collarbone, for wrestling and jiu-jitsu, people don't do this because it leaves people vulnerable to single leg. So if we're just talking about push hands, what you need to do to think about is get a thong, not a thong, a strong thumb post to the collarbone. So I'm gonna have one grip here just to keep this here, and I'm gonna pluck. So I'm gonna go up and back to lead this out, force out, and I'm gonna pluck. Okay, so not difficult at all. You already have the mechanics for this form. Okay, he's gonna do a cross side, so he's gonna post that one. For this one, you're gonna take the right hand instead of the left hand, and you can pluck this side too. So we're just gonna use a pluck. There's actually a lot of stuff you can do. To do a cross side thumb post, boom. Here, you can also split this and split, pluck, and then you can do something. You push, I guess for pushers. Now Paul's going to do the same thing. He's just going to, I'm going to post here, and then he's going to pluck, boom, yeah, pluck, and go for it. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to do a cross side one. So he's got on G. So if you notice, I don't think Paul's ever done that one before, because he has the form, he has like enough mechanics, you just figure it out. You should be able to figure it out without needing to like think about it. So try this one. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Oh, yeah, that's fine. No, that's fine. So that also is like in shuttles, like later on down the form. That's actually the next.
Sorry.
The next application right here.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you start training. It's like, come up with the next answer. So Paul's going to post. Okay, this can thumb, and you can spear and lance through. You're long, and then this can come up to the bottom. Okay. Try the other side. So here, this can come this way, and you can have a shuttles this way. Okay.
So this is just a.
Yeah, so in the form, it's going to be second or third order, do you remember? So this is going to look like this, and we're diagonal stepping. For push hands, there's so many applications for push hands in martial. So the importance of like learning the form, and like Paul hasn't learned the second road yet, but just from training the first road for applications in martial arts, you can see that it's already going to be slightly embedded in there. So you should be able to figure it out. And do a couple more. So here, do it this way. You can start the issue. Yeah. And the other side, cross post. Oh, yeah, either way. So here, you can do it that way. Yeah. Try me. You can upward me. Try to make on that post. Yeah. There we go. Good. Roll back. That's great. This one is gonna, so the correction for this one.
Yeah.
The hand placement is correct, so underneath here.
Yeah.
And instead of, this is too short, so you need to open your joints, and you need to make an arc long over here.
Otherwise, I'm offering you my face.
So yeah, this bridge here, to get this off, you need to extend, lengthen, and stretch. You need to open and stretch to get this this post off of you. So think long, yeah. So think a little bit longer too in this arc around my body. Yeah. So down, so the joints are compressed, closed, and you open nice and big. So notice that if you have you extend the yi, combine intent, over and around, nice and big, very large. Yeah. So underneath the bridge, second
So
hand.
I'm not actually going with the grabbing the fascia or grabbing the. I'm using.
And you can add it over time, where it's gonna the whole thing will stick to
Right,
the
right, but it's the contact is further up.
through the bones, right? So
Okay,
structure.
that's good pressure. Yeah.
So that, you know, it's quite a lot, but just from the form, if you just say the short form, there's gonna be a lot you can figure out just from there. So I want you to you can watch the video, you can figure out the mechanics, but it should already be embedded in the short form. I noticed that Paul hasn't done a lot of the push hands or applications yet. It's his first year, but if you just do the training, the solo training, you need to get it so that your body can respond as the software is designed. So thanks, Paul.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Eat it, Hanso sushi.
It's awesome. Yeah. But